Hello student, today we will do question number 1 from exercise 5.2 NCERT math books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. The question number 1, fill in the blank in the following table given that A is the first term, D the common difference, and AN the nth term of AP. So number 1. A is given 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. So An is equal to, formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. So A is equal to 7 and N is equal to 8 here. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 into D. D value is 3, means 7 plus 21 is equal to 28. So here will be 28. Now question number 2. A is equal to given minus 10, D we have to find. If you put in formula, so N is equal to given 0, A is equal to minus 18 plus N is equal to given 10, so this will be 9 into D. So minus 18 will bring this side, so 9D is equal to 18. So D is equal to 18 by 9 is to 2. So D will be 2. Now see question number 3. Question number 3, we have to find A. So if we put on this formula, so An is equal to given minus 5 is equal to A, we have to find N is equal to 18, so this will be 17 into D. D is equal to given minus 3. So this will be minus 5 and this will be 17, 3 51 minus 51, so this will be 51 A. So A is equal to then 51 minus 5, 46. So here will be 46. Question number 4. Question number 4 is A is equal to given minus 18. An is equal to, here N we have to find. So An is equal to given 3.6 is equal to A is equal to given minus 18.9 plus N we have to find N minus 1. D is given 2.5. If we'll bring this side, so this will be 3.6 plus 18.9 equal to N minus 1 into 2.5. If we'll add this, so this will be 2.5 divided by 2.5 here equal to N minus 1. This will be cut by 9. So n minus 1 is equal to 9. So n is equal to 10. So here will be 10. Now question number 5. An we have to find. So an is equal to a is equal to 3.5 plus n is equal to 105 minus 1 into d is equal to 0. So this whole thing will be 0. So it means 3.5 plus 0 is equal to 3.5. So here will be 3.5. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.